Okay, so hello everyone and welcome to this demo video. Today we're going to be talking about 0G-Ramp, which is an on-ramp platform used in buying 0G tokens using your native currency. So how does this work? We have the 0G Compute SDK and the 0G Storage SDK integrated. So after making the payment via Stripe, it runs through the 0G Compute ledger in order to test for fraud analysis rather, and make sure that it's not an illegal transaction or something weird going on with the application or a hacker or something, right? Then its immutable records are stored on 0G Storage SDK. So we have tamper-proof records on chain. So let's go through with this. Click on sign in with wallet. So whenever you sign in with a new wallet, it creates a UID for you via Firebase that is also stored on 0G Storage SDK. So let me just quickly show the Firebase console with the various UIDs in it. As you can see them in here. So these are the UIDs. Okay, so going back to 0G-Ramp, we're going to click on our dashboard. You can see that this is my dashboard showing my KYC has been verified. So it is mandatory for you to have KYC integrated for financial institutions like this. And this is going to be a software as a service platform as time goes on, whereby other platforms will be able to make use of our APIs in order to provide on-ramp transactions native to the 0G blockchain. So I'm going to click on buy 0G here and I'm just going to pay with Stripe. So for now, the Stripe is in test mode. As time goes on, we're definitely migrating to our live mode. So I'm just going to perform a simple test payment in here. Scalo dev, this, I'm just going to click on pay. So payment has successful. Let's go. So yeah, so the 0G compute risk scan is running. Yeah, it's finished running. So yeah, so this is the job risk. So let's check the transaction for any fraud signals or any form of hacking or anything weird going on with the transaction. The 0G compute takes care of that. So now we're moving on to the on-chain payout. So when this video started, I think my balance was 0.946. Now you can see it just changed right now to 0.996. So it was successful. So right now we're waiting for 0G storage to store the tamper-proof records. So while we're waiting for that, we're going to simply refresh this and check it out. See, so you can see it's been settled, and so this is the payout transaction hash, and this is the storage route. So we're just waiting for it to go through. The anchor is pending in our back end, which is in here. So we're waiting for the 0G storage SDK to process that immutable or tamper-proof record. So let's go back to our history in here. We can see our verification status in here, KYC verified, and all the compute job feeds loaded in here. Moving on to our assets, you can see our 0G payout vault in here. We have a custodial wallet in the back end of this application in order to house or store 0G tokens that are going to be paid out via a 0G payout smart contract written in Solidity. So this is our chronological ledger, and we have our various transactions here, past transactions here, timestamps, the routes, the assets, the amounts, and everything. Then so we can just go back to our dashboard in here. We can see our past transactions in here too. So I guess that is it.